Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Starlink under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Starlink internet setup. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Starlink? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your connection stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN slips up, so you never end up exposed while using Starlink. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your online activity while you're on the network. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Starlink users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Starlink because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another cool feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could slow down your Starlink or expose you to spam and scams. It also has a neat tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with friends or remote devices on your own private network. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, router, phone all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Starlink user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? They own and operate their entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more reliable connection for you. And for any Starlink user dealing with fluctuating speeds or connection glitches, it offers a SOCKS 5 proxy for potentially lower and faster routing. Just keep in mind you're trading off a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Starlink? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, thanks to its custom NordLynx technology. That means less buffering and smoother browsing or streaming on your Starlink network. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found speeds and latency vary depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low latency and fast speed are your top priorities, and you want the best overall VPN with the most features for your Starlink connection. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices connected to Starlink or a whole household relying on it. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Starlink user who needs proof to back up claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it, we're all out of time. So if this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which VPN you're rolling with for Starlink. See you soon.